Dear passengers, welcome aboard the little train 𝗧𝗿𝗶H. This train will pass through snow mountain, desert, grassland. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Firecrackers, gasoline, utility knife. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Where would you like to sit? Thank you. The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? Roger that. The train is about to turn. Please sit tight and hold on. We should comply with the order and be a civilized passenger. We are arriving at the loading area. Please load the goods onto the train. Drag the right boxes into the train. Oops, not this one. Please try again. Great! You've loaded the goods. The little choo-choo train has a long body. It carries people and goods. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Hammer, fruit knife, pointed scissors, firework, utility knife. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Where would you like to sit? Ooh, thanks. Thanks. All passengers, please sit tight. The train is moving fast. We are arriving at the delivery spot. Please put the goods into the lift truck. Thank you for the delivery.